Yo, what's good, yo? Welcome back to another Crash video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like Vaxfr, and I covered the song Bobby Shmurda, which is one of his most known songs right now. And yeah, let's just get right into it. All right, so right here I have the beat and the vocals. It's gonna be 4 presets right here, and this is the beat. I'm gonna play the actual song with the vocals so you get an idea of what it sounds like.
What he say? I like Bobby Shmurda. Someone died in here. I committed a murder, and I got it back.
Okay, you get the idea right there. I'm gonna play my part, my version.
What he say? I like Bobby Shmurda. Someone died in here. I committed a murder, and I got it bad for this one hoe. Said she moving out for me. I like I ain't heard her. What he say? I like Bobby Shmurda. Someone died in here. I committed a murder, and I got it bad for this one hoe. Said she moving out for me. I like I ain't heard her. I know I'm too attached. You know I.
Alright, there you go. You get the idea of what it sounds like. Here, I'm gonna play the vocals by themselves so you could hear the presets more accurately.
I know I'm too attached. You know I got it bad. Said you're looking rough. Just a fact. Say, what did you find? You storm.
Alright, so this is the main preset right here. This is the auto-tune, just in case you're wondering. This is the key of the song, I guess. Nothing crazy, it's just 0 retune speed. This is the OTT for that, for the main preset. And then for this low vocal is the same, and I think it's the same for this as well. Okay, so there's only 2 OTTs that really matter. This one right here is for the main preset and the low vocal, and then this one right here is for the ad-lib. So if they end up messing up or anything, this is the settings that you need. So usually always make sure to look at the OTTs, because they'd be messing up sometimes. And when the depth is at 100, that just means that the preset is wrong. So any of my presets that you see like that, if it's at 100 depth, it's just wrong. So it's gonna sound like shit pretty much, bro. So you gotta make sure you got that right. Set up the vocal preset to the presets here. Let's say you just dragged it, you're dragging and dropping it right now. Boom, you get the main, and then you see the route. Drag and dropping it into the mixer, and then you see this right here. You follow this line on the bottom, unmaster it, unlink it, unsidechain it, unroute it, however you want to refer to it as, from the master it, and then you link it into the route preset, and then make sure this route is going into the master. So that's all that matters right there. And then yeah, just make sure you do the same for the main, low vocal, and the ad-lib. Link them all into the route, and then from the route put it into the master. And that's all you got to do for that. That's how you set those up. And yeah, here, let me break down the actual preset themselves. I'm gonna play just the main vocal right here so you can hear dry and wet, and with all the effects. Dry, so you can hear the differences of when it's dry and with all the effects.
I know I'm too attached. What he say? I like Bobby Shmurda. Someone died in here. I committed a murder, and I got it bad for this one hoe. Said she moving out for me. I like I ain't heard her. I know I'm too attached. You know I got it bad. Said you're looking rough. Just a fact. Say, what did you find? Say, what did you find?
That's the low vocal right here. So with this, it sounds like it's the same vocal preset as the main. It sounds different because on the auto tune right here, I have the throat length put up, so it just gives it that like type of voice, like Dante Red type of sound. If you know, you know. And yeah, so it just gives it that like deeper, but like that deeper feeling of the vocals pretty much. And then yeah, you make sure you put that into the route, and this is the ad-lib right here. This is dry.
This
is what?
Got it bad. Such a looking rough. Bitch. Oh. Yeah, I like I heard that.
This is all the vocals together.
Yeah, I know I'm too attached. You know what do you say? Hyperpop shmurda. Someone died in here. I committed a murder, and I got it bad for this one who said she moving out for me. Yeah, I like I heard that. I know I'm too attached. You know I got it bad. Said you're looking rough. Just a fact. Say, why did you fight? You serve.
And yeah, there you go. That's all the vocals right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this preset. Make sure all these three are routed into the route preset, and the route goes into the master. If any of these presets are going into the master, you're doing it wrong. So just make sure you set that up right. And then the OTTs, this is the main. Same thing for the main and the low vocal. And then this is the ad-lib preset OTT settings. So yeah, just make sure those are right. Evo and OTT, the plugins themselves is included into the preset, so you don't have to worry about looking for where to find those. And yeah, make sure y'all join the Lifeline server. We're, it's like a community hub where I'm active. Me and my friends are active in. If you don't know about that, we have like over 600 members right now. We have over 700 members. We're trying to get it out as to the people and make it like a big community music server for everybody to share the word, promote, meet some new people and all that, music community stuff, all that goodness. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, peace out.